guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to install PLP files into Pixellab, and also I'll be giving 28 PLP files for free. So you can download Pixellab from Telegram, WhatsApp, internet, anywhere at all, even through Google Drive. So guys, I downloaded mine from Telegram. I'm just going to locate the file using Z-Archiver. I'll locate the Telegram folder, which is this one there, and the next thing I'm going to do is I will locate the Telegram document. That is where that file is being saved. So guys, I'll be giving you guys link also to where you can be able to get free design tools on Telegram. I'll be giving you the link where I downloaded from Telegram too. So I'm going to click on the extract after clicking on the zip file, because it's always on the zip file format. So when I click on extract, I will locate my Pixellab folder. That is under Pixellab folder is where you are going to extract the files into. So when I click on the Pixellab folder, I'm going to extract these files into presets. So if you don't have presets, just try to save a project on Pixellab, or just create a folder presets, then save it there. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click on the extract button there. So the password to this file is also on this video, so when you keep on watching, it will just pop up on the screen there. So guys, I'm going to open my Pixellab. The next thing I'm going to do is click on that three dots up there and select these three dots here. Is what I'm going to click on. Then the next thing I'm going to do is select open PLP files. That's what you do. So when you click on it, it's very simple. These are all the files you just extracted. So if you do this and you don't get this file, just maybe just wait for some time to load, depending on the load of the files you are importing. So guys, if you want to edit this thing, just click on the files and you can edit any of it. You can add your logo, you can add any text to it. So there are a lot of things you can do with PLP files. So the work of PLP files is just to ease off work for you, the workload. Maybe a lot of work for you to do. Just using free PLP files, you can just edit the PNGs or the text there and put yours. As simple as that. So it makes the work easier for you. So this one, okay, is a landscape for YouTube thumbnails, so mainly for YouTubers. So if you're a YouTuber, I want to create a thumbnail, you can use this format. This is one of the few PLP files for it. Just edit the caption with the title of your videos, and you're good to go. So guys, I hope if you're enjoying this video, I hope you comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of this video. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day.